I think skipping is a really good and fun way of implementing cardio in your workout. Like, instead of, if you feel like running isn't for you, or if you feel like you're on the bike too much, it's just a good change to have. I am Samra, I'm 20 years old, I'm from East London and I'm a fitness coach. So I've always been a sporty kind of person when I was younger. So I thought, if it's something that I love, like I'll get into the fitness industry and do what I love doing. And I love helping people out with their fitness. So yeah, I was like, I want to turn this into a career. Like, my mum was at the beginning, she was a bit worried, like, oh, what are you going to be doing at the gym? Like, don't hurt yourself. Like, she was really cautious. But when I told her that it's fine, like, she was absolutely fine with it then. And even when I spoke to her about like boxing as well, she was like, oh, like, you're going to get yourself hurt. And I was like, no, it's not like that. Like, it's just to keep fit. So at first I've always been into strength training and stuff, and I was thinking I need to implement cardio in my workout. Right. And I was like, I hate running. I've tried running in the park, it's not something that I love doing. So, I picked up a rope and I was like, let me just see how this goes. And I started off and I was like, I'm okay at this. Let me go on YouTube and let me find out more, kind of thing. That's where I found you. Right. And I just started to watch videos and I just really got into it. And I think it was my way of releasing, energy, releasing anger, all of that, like, stress that's built up from work and from, like, just general life. Like, it was my way of, like, releasing that kind of energy. I mean, sometimes, when you're learning a new trick or skill, like, it does get frustrating because you're like, I can't get this. And then you start thinking, oh, maybe I can't do this. And then you're starting to think like, oh, do you know what, maybe I'll just leave it. But then, it takes determination and, like, commitment for you to say, like, do you know what, I'm not going to let those negative thoughts take over. I can do this, I can achieve what I'm about to do. And it's just that, like, mental game, mental battle. I think when I first got into the gym, I was really shy and I was really nervous, and it took me forever to get into the weight section. So my advice would be just forget about what anyone thinks, forget about, like, ignore your negative thoughts, kind of thing. You're the only person who's stopping yourself from progressing. I think the main thing is practice. I think, watch videos and then go out yourself and practice. Like, when I learn a new skill, it takes me like 2 to 3 days, maybe a week to learn. So you just need patience and practice. And I think we were speaking about this before as well. Like, I think falling in love with the process of learning as well is really important. You need to enjoy, like, making mistakes, and you need to enjoy, like, failure in order for you to taste the sweetness of success, kind of thing. Do you know what I mean? So like, practice and don't give up.